Introducing ProfPRO, Advanced Wastewater Treatment Plant Design Software. An all-in-one package offering a complementary design. Before starting up the software, at least one diffuser graph should be introduced to ProfPRO. You can then select and compare different diffusers in the calculation step. Let us show you what ProfPRO is capable of. By clicking New Facility button, you will see a pop-up screen in which you will be asked to fill some crucial information about the treatment plant prior calculation step. Important parameters for the calculation can be set into desired values before the calculation while creating a new facility. These can be viewed and changed later in the Parameters tab. After filling the crucial information, you will be welcomed by the flow rates and concentrations page. You can view and change concentrations and flow rate of the treatment plant in this page. If there is a primary sedimentation unit, you can select retention time or customize primary sedimentation treatment efficiencies in this page. ProfPRO also gives you a hint about the COD fractions of your influent wastewater. Now proceed to designing page via WWTP design button. Let's start with primary treatment. Coarse screen, inlet pumping unit, fine screen, grit and grease chamber. Primary sedimentation tank will be showcased. During this time, I will let you enjoy the smoothest designing steps of the whole primary treatment unit section. So easy. Now that primary treatment section comes to an end, we can proceed to biological treatment section. Secondary treatment tank, return sludge pumping unit, sludge age and biological reactor calculations, internal recirculation calculations, alkalinity and sludge treatment units are about to get involved to the design. Treatment options is the part of the design in which you can specify the details of the treatment objectives. You can choose between carbon removal with nitrification, and carbon removal with nitrification and denitrification. Additionally, a phosphorus removal step can be incorporated into any of these treatment options using chemical methods, biological methods, or a combination of both. Regardless of the treatment options you select, you are required to go through all the biological process steps. For example, in this configuration, you must first enter the essential data for nitrogen removal, followed by the necessary inputs for phosphorus removal. After that, proceed to the sludge production section to define the biological tank volume. Once the tank volume is set, you can return to the nitrogen removal section to perform calculations under different temperature scenarios. In the sludge treatment line, processes such as sludge thickening, anaerobic digestion, sludge dewatering, and sludge drying can be included in your design. The sludge line can be fully customized based on your specific needs by selecting or deselecting each individual treatment step, allowing you to tailor the process to your project requirements. In the aeration system design module, you will be provided with oxygen uptake rate calculations for all the scenarios defined in the nitrogen removal section, along with a COD balance diagram for comprehensive analysis. You will also have the option to choose from various diffuser types introduced in the Diffusers tab of the software. These can be compared side by side to determine the most suitable option for your design. Once the diffusers are selected, you can proceed to the blower sizing section to calculate the number of the blowers required for your system. ProfPRO also offers an estimate about the area requirement. Taking into account all selected units and processes, the software calculates an approximate total installed power for the complete wastewater treatment plant. Lastly, on the flowcharts and documentation page, you will be presented with a flowchart representing the treatment plant you have designed. To review all your work, simply click the Report button. After selecting the components you wish to include, a comprehensive, finalized report will be generated and displayed on this page. You may directly print this report or export it to a PDF.